Are you worried about someone snooping on your private browsing history? Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off Face ID for private browsing on your iPhone or iPad, giving you an extra layer of security. First, let's head over to the Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon, usually found on your home screen. Tap on it to open it up. Scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode. Tap on that. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Go ahead and do that. Now that you're in the Face ID and Passcode settings, scroll down until you see Other Apps. Tap on this option. You will see a list of apps that use Face ID. Find Safari or your preferred private browsing app. Toggle the switch next to it to the off position. This disables Face ID for that particular app. Now, when you open a private browsing window in Safari or your preferred browser, you won't be prompted to use Face ID. This will prevent anyone from accidentally or intentionally accessing your private browsing data. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Face ID for private browsing, giving you more control over your privacy and security. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips.